With so many smartwatches on the market, it can be tough to figure out which one is worth your time and money, especially with all the hype around the new Pixel Watch 3. The Pixel Watch 3 has been making waves in the smartwatch market, promising a seamless blend of style and functionality. In this video, we will explore what makes it special and whether it's worth considering for your next smartwatch purchase. Smartwatches have had their fair share of issues in the past. One of the biggest complaints is battery life. Nobody wants to charge their watch every night, only to have it die on them in the middle of the day. Another common problem is the user interface. Sometimes it can be frustratingly slow or counterintuitive. And then there's the issue of health tracking accuracy. Can we trust the data provided by our smartwatches? These are just a few of the challenges that smartwatch manufacturers have been trying to overcome, and it will be interesting to see how the Pixel Watch 3 addresses them. Previous Pixel Watch models didn't quite live up to the hype. Early adopters faced issues with battery life, limited app support, and a general lack of polish in the overall user experience. But with the Pixel Watch 3, Google has had a chance to listen to user feedback and make some improvements. The Pixel Watch 3 is a sleek and stylish smartwatch that looks more like a traditional timepiece than a miniature computer on your wrist. The design is minimalist and chic with a circular face that uses recycled aluminum and interchangeable straps. This latest addition to Google's smartwatch lineup comes in two sizes, 41mm and 45mm, catering to different wrist sizes and personal preferences. Besides the bigger screen and the larger battery of the 45mm version, both variants have the same specs and have several case color options like polished silver, matte black, or champagne gold. I got the 45mm version with Wi-Fi, as LTE was unavailable in Romania, with the matte black case and Obsidian active band. Like the Google Pixel 9 series smartphones, it arrives in a cardboard box, manufactured using recycled materials. Opening the box, which has an interesting product view on top, reveals the watch case and a set of small and large wristbands with a quick start guide and a safety, warranty and regulatory guide. The safely packaged case also holds the magnetic USB-C fast charge cable. As no charger is included, you must get a USB-C compatible one. The Pixel Watch 3's power-efficient display is brighter and more vibrant than the Pixel Watch 2's, making it easier to read in any lighting condition. This custom AMOLED LTPO display has a peak brightness of 2000 nits and can go down to 1 nit. It is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and weighs, with the provided band, around 68 grams. On one side of the case there is a speaker grill, while on the other there is a microphone, crown and button. While the interchangeable strap system is a bit fiddly, the multiple color and design choices make up for it. Add this to its IP68 water resistance rating and you can wear it in the shower, pool, or anywhere your adventures take you. Connectivity-wise, the Pixel Watch 3, depending on the model, supports 4G LTE or dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, GPS, and ultra-wideband, which allows you to unlock the Pixel phone while wearing the watch. It's not just about looks. The Pixel Watch 3 has some serious tech under the hood. Powered by the Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 SoC, with 2 GB of SD RAM and an internal storage of 32 GB, the Wear OS 5 feels faster and more responsive. The intuitive user interface design makes it easy to navigate, and the watch faces are highly customizable, both using the watch and using the Google Pixel Watch app. Additional watch faces and tiles can be easily added, allowing you to personalize your watch to suit your unique style. You can adjust the display based on your wrist orientation, a handy feature especially during workouts, as you won't hit the crown by mistake while lifting weights or during push-ups. If you are already using an Android phone or other Google devices, you'll love how easily the watch pairs with your existing setup, giving you a unified and cohesive experience across all your devices. The Pixel Watch 3 seamlessly syncs with your Google account, allowing you to access your calendar and notifications, control the playback of your Spotify music, which can be stored offline on the device, respond to messages directly from the watch, and even control your Google Home devices like your TV, lights, Nest camera feed, and more. Also, with Google Assistant built right in, you can use just your voice to control your devices. Turn on living room lights.
Okay, turning the light on.
Google Pixel smartphone owners have extra functionality, as the Pixel Watch 3 offers the option to control their smartphone's camera remotely with a live feed and some camera modes. According to Google, the Pixel Watch 3 can last up to 24 hours on a single charge with the always-on display active, and up to 36 hours with battery saver. I've had the chance to wear the Pixel Watch 3 for several weeks now, and from my experience, after having used 24/7 mainly the smart and health tracking features of the watch, with the always-on display inactive and the adaptive brightness on level 2, here is what I found. With a moderate to low number of incoming notifications, GPS location used for weather forecasts, and no fitness activity tracking, the battery seems to be draining faster if Wi-Fi is enabled. The usage time of the Pixel Watch 3 will be reduced further with the Wi-Fi active and no network connection. While your mileage may vary, this should at least provide an idea of the influence each service has on the Pixel Watch 3 battery. But what about health tracking? The Pixel Watch 3 takes things to the next level with advanced features like built-in GPS, fitness tracking, heart health, stress monitoring, sleep tracking, and safety and emergency. Having a built-in GPS means you can track your runs, hikes, and bike rides without bringing your phone along. I wanted to check how usable the GPS on the Pixel Watch 3 is, so I went for a walk around the city center in search of a restaurant. I was surprised by how responsive Google Maps is and how easy it was to enter a destination and follow the displayed route. During my tests, I noticed that Google Maps will use the GPS location from the watch or your phone, depending on which device has a GPS signal. With over 40 exercise modes, the Pixel Watch 3 offers something for any fitness enthusiast. I took the watch for a quick run to see some of the biometrics tracked and how this information is displayed. After my run, I was surprised to see how the watch delivered a comprehensive analysis of the cadence of my steps, the length and height of my strides, and my ground contact time. To find the balance between workout sessions and rest, the Pixel Watch 3 introduces 3 new tools: daily readiness, cardio load, and target load. Daily readiness uses an improved algorithm that tracks and analyzes your body's key recovery biometrics, such as resting heart rate variability, and recent sleep. The result shows how ready your body is for training each day. Cardio load tracks your heart's exertion and intensity during training and throughout the day, while keeping track of your trends over time to help you know if you are over or under training. Target load is a personalized target for your workout. It helps you improve your fitness using your recent cardio load and readiness. All these insights come together in the new Fitbit Morning Brief, a daily digest displayed on your wrist when you wake up. Regarding health tracking accuracy, the Pixel Watch 3 has a built-in electrocardiogram with atrial fibrillation detection, so you can track your heart rhythm and detect potential irregularities. To check the accuracy of the heart rate monitoring, I compared the readings from the Pixel Watch 3 against the values provided by a clinically validated digital blood pressure monitor. From my readings, I noticed that the heart rate values were slightly higher on the Pixel Watch 3. Using electrodermal activity sensors to measure skin conductance, the Pixel Watch 3 tracks your body responses and delivers stress notifications when sudden changes are detected. It provides the option to log these moods and even offers guided breathing sessions. The Pixel Watch 3's advanced sleep tracking uses machine learning to track your sleep patterns, providing detailed insights into your sleep, including duration, quality, and even snoring and sleep talking. It offers personalized recommendations to help you get better sleep, from adjusting your bedtime routine to establishing a consistent sleep schedule. The watch can automatically detect sleep and enable bedtime mode, which you can also turn on from the menu. In this mode, notifications and the always-on display are turned off for disruption-free sleep. In a situation where every second counts, calling for help could be a lifesaver. The Pixel Watch 3 comes with a set of safety features aimed at helping you in case you can't make that call. Among its safety features that include emergency sharing, which sends your real-time location and updates to your emergency contacts, safety check, which sets a check-in timer to ensure that you're safe. If you don't confirm that you're okay at the set time, the watch automatically shares your location with your emergency contacts, and emergency SOS, which quickly calls emergency services. The Pixel Watch 3 brings additional functionality available only in some countries. These extra safety features are fall detection, which calls emergency services with an automated voice message when a fall is detected, and you don't move, respond to, or dismiss an alert. Car crash detection, which can notice a severe car crash, call emergency services, notify emergency contacts, and share your location. And loss of pulse detection, which, as its name suggests, will place a call to emergency services on your behalf if a pulse isn't detected, even if you're unconscious. So what makes the new Pixel Watch 3 stand out? In my opinion, second only to its design language, its innovative integration with Google Assistant, advanced sleep tracking, built-in ECG sensor, and if you are lucky enough to have access, its built-in LTE connectivity and extra safety features are what make the Google Pixel Watch 3 one of the best fitness companions. The Pixel Watch 3 is a significant leap forward in smartwatch technology. It addresses many of the concerns and limitations of its predecessors, while introducing exciting new features that make it a must-have for tech enthusiasts. So, what do you think about the Pixel Watch 3? Is it worth the hype, or do you think there are better options out there? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to check out our store creionroșu.com, and till next time, take care.